So guys, this is everyone. I am sorry you'd be thinking ये किसकी आवाज़ है, but this is Gina and she has been working non-stop trying to give some auditions और अब इनकी ये हालत हो चुकी है कि इन्हें बैग पैक करके निकलना था, बट आँखें बंद हो रही है और बैग पैक नहीं हो पा रहा है और इन्होंने मुझे फ़ोन दिया और बोला तू लाइव नहीं जा रहा है, तू झूठ बोल रहा है।
ओहो, और भी झूठ बता रहे हैं।
तो आँख खोल के तो बोल, कम से कम everyone, there are 420 people looking at you right now.
Like look at you, no best number you can come up with is
Okay, it's
4.
396, 387.
Yeah, sure. Nice try. और मेरी आँख खुली और मुझे दिख रहा है कि मैं यहाँ पे किधर है, मुझे सब पता है।
Trisha just came running to warn you that you're live.
मैं मेरा नाम सुना।
So people are like writing, please let her sleep. Guys, my job is to ensure that she packs her bags and leaves. I can't let her sleep. Hey, stop double doing this.
She's actually like. Are you serious?
Yes,
Why would you do that?
because you have to leave at 4:15. It's 3:45.
My bag is there.
I can see two versions of this.
Stop smiling like Akshay Kumar now. When you're sleeping, you become a gummy bear.
Oh God. My eyes are not opening.
I'm not kidding. There are like 309 people watching.
Hi. What's up?
There is that's me, Aman, and he's like, we have to meet in 15 minutes.
Well. वो भी कह देते थे। वो भी कह देते थे। ऐप तो बंद नहीं किया होगा ना तूने?
I am not kidding. You're still live, and there are people writing Airtel girl, big fan.
Thank you. I love me too.
She's being so cute while being sleepy. Philosophy, सो जाओ वरना सो जाओ. Okay.
ओ मेरा हाथ हिल गया फाइनली। I've been thinking हाथ क्यों नहीं चल रहा है कब से?
Okay, you can now take the phone. The Airtel girl again. Looks like a lot of people have seen you in the Airtel ad.
Of course, it's all over the television. I heard because I heard myself. No, of course I didn't hear myself, but I heard. I forgot. What was I saying?
Someone is like, कौन सा नशा करती हो? अबे काम का नशा है. काम कर करके इतनी हालत खराब हो जाती है कि घर से निकलना है लेकिन ताकत नहीं है.
ये करके नहीं निकाला है वो तो.
Are you drunk? Asks, my name is Jeff. No sir, she's not drunk. She's just tired and very sleepy. This is just an attempt to make sure she gets up and does not miss her travel.
I will not miss. I'm thinking, should I just like take like 5 minutes nap?
Okay, take your phone. A lot of people think you're drunk. I think you need to correct them.
I'm not drunk, guys.
Oh, now trust me, the way you said that, even I doubt it.
अरे नहीं यार, सच्ची में मेरे को दारू पीने की भी एनर्जी नहीं है मेरे में. ऑनेस्टली टाइम ही नहीं है मेरे पास. I've not partied in like so long. और दारू मैंने पी नहीं बहुत टाइम.
Oh, people love your acting so much that they are like, क्या एक्टिंग कर रही है? क्या एक्टिंग कर रही है?
मेरे पैर अभी 1 महीना हिलाया, मैं उठूँगी अभी, मेरे को जाना है. मैं क्या सोच रही हूँ, what if somebody gives me coffee?
Oh, someone actually wrote you should have coffee.
I know, I feel I should have some coffee.
Chalo, I'll get you coffee. Take your phone and at least flip it around. Talk to people.
How will I read?
You can talk. You don't need to read.
Oh God. This is my phone. This is what, back side, front side?
Oh, backside.
Arey, why will somebody? How will I figure out? Please give me front camera now. Cool, this is me.
It is you.
I don't know. Arey! Don't take my phone.
It's not you. It is you. Oh.
Hi guys. कुछ भी बोलो, खुद की शक्ल देख के प्यार हो जाता है कभी. कॉफी ला रहा था ना. मेरे को ना सच्ची वेरी टायर्ड है. आई वुड नॉट मेक यू गेट अप एंड गेट कॉफी.
ओह, लाइव है तो ऐसे असर. क्या बात
मैं
है.
लाइक अभी
अब लड़की को याद आ गया. She's live. Oh, she used to act all nice and proper. Oh, if I was not so tired, I'll now ask you to get my coffee. You know, I do it all myself.
आँख से why would you put this filter? I just opened my eyes and something weird is happening. Wait, I don't want this. Cool. वो मेरी आंखें नहीं खुल रही, मैं इतना टायर्ड हो गई. Anyway guys, did you see my ad? क्यूट है. जीना, डोंट स्लीप यार.
कितने मिलने? 93,000 मिलने.
सर 93,000 मिल रहे हैं आपको. यू शुड टेक रेस्ट. सो जाओ ना यार. नहीं सो सकती यार, ट्रैवल करना है. I think once I'm on my way, I can sleep. I can take a nap. Yes, we did. You were fabulous. Thank you. You're going to sleep? No. I won't sleep. I'll have coffee. I'll start my travel. And then once I'm on the way, I'll sleep. I seem to have had a tired day, and yeah, very. मैं बस कहना चाहती हूँ that I'm not drunk, so don't assume.
How not drunk are you?
अरे मतलब कॉफ़ी पीने के बाद तुम लोगों को पता चल जाएगा. क्योंकि if I'm drunk, I'm not like this. I'm dancing or something. I'll be dancing if I'm drunk.
So you do get drunk.
Of course. My capacity is so less that I just get drunk by drinking 1 glass of wine. Not a regular drinking person, so it happens. Take a cup of coffee. Yeah, I've asked somebody to get. You've asked somebody to get it. Thanks, bro. मेरे को ही. Thank you so much. अच्छी मिला है.
Jog.
वो वैसे भी जाग ही रही है. Instagram live पे.
Oh. Should I should have watched it and come in?
Coffee is here.
I'm sure people would think that's also not coffee. They think,
No. It's coffee only.
and that looks like whiskey and thumbs up.
No, coffee. Coffee
But
sweet.
why do you drink black coffee?
because I don't like milk. I hate milk. Smelling also helps, no?
Yeah.
Coffee. So imagine what drinking coffee does to you.
Okay, Jinal, I have a question for you that you should answer on your live. Are you the girl from the Airtel ad?
Of course.
Then why does your phone have a notification which says your Airtel mobile bill is due today? Please pay to avoid disconnection of services.
पब्लिक में इज्जत की फजीती नहीं करनी चाहिए.
It actually says please pay now to avoid late payment fees.
अच्छा फिर ठीक है. By the way, just for your information, guys, मैं अपना फ़ोन का 4G यूज़ कर रही हूँ. मेरा आउटगोइंग अब तक बंद नहीं हुआ है. अबे did you know this is Versace का symbol का copy? I just realized.
What?
Because I was just browsing through few things and I saw Versace. So this shape, मतलब they have a different shape. This is like S, no? It's not S for Versace. It's like constant box. Where that box is for coffee पीती हूँ. So good. अभी अमन मैसेज कर रहा. अबे उठ के ब्रो, उठ गया. कॉफी बस खत्म. अरे उठ गया ना. अरे कॉफी पी के आ रहा हूँ मैं. Yesterday I saw you. Yeah. Cute. Box. कौन guys? ऐसे नहीं यार. I'd love to sing something for you. I don't think messages में आप लोग गाना लिख के भेज सकते.
नहीं, गाना गा के नहीं भेज सकते.
Oh sorry, गाना गा के नहीं भेज सकते. भेज सकते हैं. Voice note. Sleep. No, I have to go. Funny coffee. आपको नींद क्यों आ रही? अरे इंसान हूँ मैं. Hangover. No hangover. So my hangovers are very weird. I sleep, I get up, I puke, and I sleep, and I don't have that day in my life. So that's not what's happening here. So it's no hangover, I can assure you.
Don't worry, we'll have another live in half an hour with all of us in the cab.
Yeah. मेरी आंखें खुल गई है. मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का नेम जीनल है. मेरा भी. I love to sing. Add me on the live. नहीं अभी नहीं. We'll do the session soon. आप नींद. हाय जीनल. अरविंद किरीपाड़ी. What's up? मैं वोडाफोन पर हूँ. बेकार है मैडम. नहीं तनय. I can assure you, मेरा नेटवर्क सबसे खराब है. I'm so exhausted. Juju, where are you now? Which state? I'm in solid state. Things I reply with people are going to kill me. You are in Pune. Nope. अरे are you drunk? नहीं रे बाबा. I don't drink so much. Okay. Oh wow. What's up, guys? Oh. Hey, sweetheart, join me. I join you. Don't get creeped out. Good morning, guys. Hangover, no hangover.
What are you going to tell me once this live is over?
Why?
Because I put you live while you were sleeping.
Please ignore if I said some crappy funny stuff. Did I?
I don't know.
I don't want to blabber if I'm sleepy and I don't get a chance to
Yeah, there
sleep.
were some people who were writing, oh ये नींद में बात भी करती है.
Huh. What's that scar on your face? Well, I'll have an answer for that. What was that?
Cycle
I love
touching.
this. I love this woman so much. And she had a huge scar on her face. So one day I took a blade, cut myself, and then the sight of me just disgusts her. Anyway, that's not what we're talking about. It's gone.
Please tell me it's a Joker reference.
Yeah. But I don't know the exact one, like the monologue.
Oh, by the way, are we expecting another ad?
Oh well, you are.
मतलब आप टीवी पे फिर से आएंगे
हम टीवी में फिर से आएंगे दूसरी एड में.
और दोनों ऐड एक के बाद एक आई तो
ओहो, फिर तो आप मुझे दो बार बैक टू बैक देखोगे. लाइव आने का मकसद भी बता दे. या मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था मेरे फोन से लाइव चले गया. किसी ने मेरा अकाउंट हैक कर लिया.
ये झूठ मत बोल. Guys, there is only one person who's got access to her account. That person cannot
Me.
hack the account.
Yeah, of course I can't hack because my phone was hacked. Airtel ad is super. Thank you. मैंने पता कल पहली बार टीवी में ad किया.
But you were on TV way earlier.
શોવા માટે જાગ્યા છે.
What was that? Stupid Cupid? No, Cupid. What was that show? Your first TV thing?
No, that wasn't TV.
It was. I saw it on TV.
No, Ray, I didn't see
I
it.
saw it on TV. Zoom का कोई चैनल था उस पे. नहीं, NDTV Good Times पे आया तो.
No.
या निकल रहे. हाँ, आधे घंटे में निकल रहे हैं. नॉट इवन आधा घंटा, 15 मिनट.
पैकिंग करने के बाद
What was it? Stupid Cupid? No. Cupid. You also don't remember?
Do you really want to ask me something that I don't know? When I'm live,
I think it was Stupid Cupid.
could be. Yeah, let's just settle at that. Coffee run. Time for packing.
Also, before you end this, you are already on TV with your Total India drama episodes featuring on Tata Sky.
Yeah, I am. अरे I know
But
those
national
things.
TV.
नहीं, national TV एक बात है, लेकिन you know when you are just watching something else on TV, बीच में एक ad आती है और उस ad में आप अपने आप को पाते हो, तो वो जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल वो ऐसे कभी तुम लोगों के साथ होता है कि लाइक गाना सुनते हो, मतलब यू ऑफ कोर्स हैव दोज सॉन्ग्स डाउनलोडेड ऑन योर फोन एंड ऑल, बट यू डोंट लिसन टू दोज सॉन्ग्स. लेकिन व्हेन यू आर जस्ट प्रॉब्ली इफ यू गाइज लिसन टू द रेडियो, आई लव लिसनिंग टू द रेडियो, सो इफ यू आर जस्ट प्लेइंग द रेडियो, वो गाना रेडियो पे आता है तो यू आर लाइक ओह नाइस सॉन्ग. मतलब मेरे साथ तो हमेशा होता है. फिर बाद में आई चेक माय फोन, आई ऑलरेडी हैव दैट सॉन्ग, आई एम लाइक छी. ऐड आते ही चैनल चेंज कर देते हैं. तो यार प्लीज सब मत करो. मैं थोड़ी सी अजीब हूँ. मैं जब हमने केबल, मैं और मेरा भाई, हम लोग दोनों केबल यूज़ ही नहीं करते थे, तो हमने केबल बंद करवा दिया. इंस्टेड हमने नेटफ्लिक्स, Amazon, Eros, हॉटस्टार, Z5, प्राइम बोल दिया मैंने, और भी 3-4 और सब्सक्रिप्शंस ले लिए थे फॉर ऑल डिफरेंट क्या बोलते हैं, प्लेटफॉर्म्स, OTT platforms. And we stopped using cable like for like the past 2.5 years or 3 years. We've not used cable. So but I love watching ads. So जब हम TV देखते थे और ad आती थी, तो I wouldn't let anyone change the channel. 2 reasons, because जब चालू होता था फिर से, so I didn't want to miss it. But more than that, I used to love watching ads. So मुझे तो ad देखना बहुत मजा आता है.
guys, she still does not allow you to change the YouTube skip ad button. ये कभी नहीं दबाती.
I never press the YouTube skip ad button. मुझे ad देखना अच्छा लगता है. I love watching ads. I just go sometimes. I just watch old ads, epic ads, funny ads, controversial ads, random ads, basically. So that's my favorite pastime, which makes my life sad. But now I've got a reason to watch ads. I'm gonna see me.
Guys, she's lying. She can't listen to the same ad 4 times and she's like, कितना बड़बड़ करती है ये लड़की.
हाँ, वो खुद की ऐड होती है ना, तो मैं बोर हो जाती हूँ बार बार, क्योंकि फिर अरे द आइडिया इज इफ यू वॉच इट अगेन एंड अगेन, फिर तुम बोलोगे अरे यार ये वाली चीज़ ना थोड़ी अलग होनी चाहिए थी, अरे ये थोड़ा ना मतलब अच्छे से नहीं किया. तो इसलिए मुझे ऐसा थोड़ा फीलिंग आता है, तो मैं थोड़ा स्किप कर देती हूँ खुद का ऐड. मैं भी जा रही हूँ, मेरे को बैग पैक करना है. 4 बज गए.
4:15 निकलना है. चलो 10 minutes to go.
So you are not gonna buy YouTube Premium? No, never. Why will I buy? I won't get to watch ads. पता चला ads देखने के लिए मुझे अलग से पे करना पड़ेगा. Arvind says 1 smoke and I'm out. Good night, have fun. Ayya, go to sleep. And you shouldn't smoke. It's not good for your health. चलो मैं जा रही हूँ. कौन सा ad है हम YouTube पर देख लेंगे आपके लिए, सिर्फ मेरी स्टोरी में जाके देखो. मेरा हाईलाइट्स है TV ads. मेरा हाईलाइट का नाम TVC. So or you can type Airtel Payments Bank.
Yeah, Airtel India.
Yeah, Airtel India पे भी ad है. So you can check out the ad over there. Have you ever tried to become slim? Yeah, and the chances have been very slim too. Okay, bye. I gotta do the packing stuff and I gotta see the live video again and then kill the person who went live. Finally, you up. Yes, I'm on my way, bro. See you in 12 minutes. That's my calculation. चलो, खुदा हाफिज़. दुआ में याद रखना. सो जाओ, अगर आप सोए नहीं हो, उठ गए हो तो आप बहुत अच्छे लोग हो. और मुझे टिप दे देना कि आप कैसे इतनी जल्दी उठ जाते हो, क्योंकि हमसे ना हो पाई. तो प्लीज़ हमें थोड़े टिप्स दे देना. हाउ टू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग. आई वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग आफ्टर पुटिंग 20 अलार्म्स. अगर आपको उससे बहुत कम अलार्म्स लगते तो मुझे उसके भी टिप्स दे देना कि सुनाई कैसे देता है. हाउ डू यू लिसन टू द अलार्म. बाय. Good morning and good night, people. See you
In an hour.
in a bit if you're awake. If I'm not sleeping on the way. I don't know how much this coffee is going to help me, but right now I feel I'm awake. Chalo, bye. I gotta take out the makeup also. Bye.